What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious keto-friendly vegan bowl. So I got most of the ingredients, but there's some that I don't have, so I gotta go to the store. So if you guys wanna know what's in this bowl and you wanna make it yourself, I'm gonna read you the list of ingredients that I have written down here. I have the broccoli, the coconut aminos, the kale, tahini, lemon, and the avocado, but what I don't have is the cauliflower, which we're gonna make cauliflower rice with, mushrooms, which I don't have, and that's gonna give it that meaty texture, and then some super firm tofu. Now, if you guys don't wanna do the soy, you don't have to include the soy. I haven't had tofu in a while. I do have tempeh at home, but the tempeh is actually higher in carbs, so I'm not gonna do that. And I also have some stevia drops because we're gonna make a little sweet sauce, but it's gonna have no sugar, no carbs. So let's get to the store and get some ingredients. We got this high protein, super firm tofu. It's got 2 grams of carb per serving and 2 grams of fiber per serving. So that puts us at 0 net carb. I got the cauliflower right there. And then I saw these. I've been wanting to eat some more broccoli sprouts because all the health benefits. So I got some of these. I'm not sure what the macros are because there are none on here. So I don't know if these have like a ton of carbs or not. I doubt they do, but you know, we'll check it out before we put it on the bowl. Then I got some white mushrooms that look super, super fresh right here. And then some bananas, which obviously is not gonna be included in this meal. And then we got these stevia drops right here. So I'm not keto or anything like that. I actually do eat a good amount of carbs every single day, but I know some people have a lot of success on a keto diet or eating keto, so I figured why not make this video for them. I had another keto recipe video that I did way back, and it's been a long time since I've done one, so I figured why not share it with the people who actually find benefit from it. So I hope you guys do find value from this video. If you guys are finding value from it, make sure to click that like button, and also if you guys like this kind of content, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I sound like every other YouTuber I know, but it helps me out a lot when you guys engage and do those things, and it costs you nothing, it's free. So I would really appreciate it if you did that. And now let's head home and get into this easy recipe. All right, so I got all my ingredients laid out here and we are getting ready to start the process. So let's get right into that. All right, so now to make the cauliflower rice, we are just gonna grate some cauliflower. And that, my friends, is what 200 grams of cauliflower rice looks like. And the next thing we're gonna do is cook up these mushrooms, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients to them. So I decided to air fry the broccoli instead of cooking it on the pan because it was frozen, and I knew that this thing would do it much faster. So let's take a look. Oh, yep, that looks good to me. So we're almost ready to plate this up. I'm just gonna air fry the tofu now, and then we should be good to go. And now to make this little sauce, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of lemon in here to give it some tang. And then of course, we got some tahini, some coconut aminos, and then we got the sweetener, which is the stevia drops, so there's 0 carbs in here. Just gonna add a little bit. I'll do a little taste test to see. So I'm gonna do a little bit more sweetener. So I'll probably say about a teaspoon of stevia total. So those are like 2 little squirts. I'll do a little bit more lemon. And there we have it. The sauce is complete. All right, let's plate this bad boy up. All right, guys, it is time to dig in. So you can make this bowl non-keto if you just use regular rice and then maple syrup instead of the stevia, but of course stevia is a lower carb option and tastes the same, honestly. I just tasted it in this sauce when I had a taste test and it tastes fine. So I'm really excited to try this out. Let's get a nice big bite. I'm gonna try to get some mushrooms, kale, tofu, broccoli. Let's see if we can get it all in one. There it is. All right, let's do it. Man, I think you guys know the words that's gonna come out of my mouth next. Wow. I don't even wanna keep filming. I just really wanna eat this right now. This is bomb. the air fried tofu, the mushrooms, the cauliflower rice, the broccoli, the kale, and that sauce. I tell you what, that is delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this bowl, but first let's break down the macros and see how many calories, carbs, protein, and fat is in this meal. All right, let's get into these macros. So I got them all on my phone right now, and I'm gonna put them on the screen so you guys can see them. So total, we got 504.5 calories. So let's just say 505 calories, 36 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, and 29 grams of fat. Now look at the fiber right here, as we can see. Okay, not yet. Let me go down a little bit. So for those 33 grams of carbs, as you can see, we got 17 grams of fiber. So our net carbs are actually 15.2, which is very, very low, considering I'm usually used to eating around 75 to 100 grams of carbs per meal. So very low carb meal for me. And if you guys are out there looking for a easy, vegan friendly and keto bowl, I definitely recommend this one to you. As you guys can see, it's got a ton of protein, very low carbs, a good amount of fiber, and it contains a bunch of nutrients and whatnot. So it's a very healthy and nourishing bowl that will also keep you full for a long time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.